In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links to WordPress. So in order to do that, what you can do is you first need to head over to wordpress.com and click on this Get Started option that we can see right here. So you can actually create an account once you click on it. If you already have an account like I did, head over and click onto this login option that we can see right here in order to log into your account. So here is my WordPress dashboard. In order to add in here an affiliate link, you can head over and edit certain parts of your page. For example, head over to pages and edit it. Here is my page. So for example, on this case, we can head over and add in here products that we are actually affiliated with. So under those products, you can also add specific buttons if you would want. So for example, let's head over and add in here products first. Add it right here and search for a product that you wish to display. Let's head over and choose this and click on done. As you can see, it's been added. So you can actually format this particular product in order to be directed to affiliate page. You can do so by adding an image or a particular button. So for example, let's input right here button, add in here a button and drag and drop it right here below this. Now once you have added that, you can actually see in there a button. Just click onto this add text and let's input right here by, and let's edit it by clicking on this link icon. Then add in here the URL that will actually be an affiliate link. It can be from Amazon affiliate or whatever other affiliate program that you're in. Just input right here the URL, and when users particularly buy that product, you will get a commission for that particular affiliate link that they have actually chosen. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.